Hi, in this video we're going to find a cost associated with a circumference of a circle. Now it says Delphina is building a roundabout in the shape of a circle. Let's draw that circle. Oh, there we go. The diameter of this roundabout is 4.2 feet. So the diameter, remember, is the line that goes through the centre of the circle all the way from one end of the circle to the opposite end. So that is 4.2 feet. And it says Delphina wants to put a curb around the edge of the roundabout. So there's some curb around the edge of this roundabout like that. Curb costs €3.2 per foot. Work out the total cost of the curb. Now what we could do is we could find the total perimeter of this circle, the circumference as it's known, and we find the length of this circumference. Because we've got €3.20 per foot, we just need to times that circumference by this cost per foot to find the total cost. So let's find the circumference first. Remember, the circumference of a circle is just 2 times pi times the radius, or remember there's an alternative formula, we could use pi times the diameter. So depending on whether you've got the radius or the diameter, use either this formula or this formula. Now we've got the diameter here, so we're going to use this second formula here. So let's use that. The circumference is pi times the diameter. So pi times the diameter is 4.2. And let's just do that on a calculator. Shift pi times 4.2. Remember, pi is just a constant in maths. It has the value 3.141 and the digits go on forever, but you can get it on your calculator. Should be on your calculator. Now convert it to a decimal. So we get 13.195 will do. And it is feet, right? So it's in feet. So that's the circumference. Now it costs €3.20 per foot, and we got this many feet, so we need to times the circumference 13.195 by the cost per foot, which is €3.2, and if we do that, that gives us as a decimal 42.22. And what does it want it to? Well, euros go into cents, so we need the hundredths digit, so it's going to be 42.22 euros, and that is the final answer.